Link established. Rifleman Jack Cooper, you are now confirmed as acting pilot of BT-7274. Protocol 2, uphold the mission. Our orders are to resume Special Operation 217. Rendezvous with Major Anderson of the SRS. I'm detecting incoming enemy forces. Protocol 3, protect the pilot. Reinitializing critical systems. Vortex shield online. The Vortex shield catches incoming rounds and missiles. Release the button to launch any captured objects back at the enemy. Acolyte pod is online. This shoulder-mounted rocket pod will lock onto multiple enemy targets. The longer you hold down the button, the more locks you will achieve. Neuralink complete. Primary weapon control and motion link re-established. Pilot, enemy Titanfall detected. We will have to fight our way to safety. Get ready.
You sure about this?
Yes, trust me.
Militia flight spotted. Chassis number BT-7274. Taking fire. Not bad, pilot. Not bad. Bloody Vanguard-class Titans.
Enemy Titan down. Well done, pilot. Our combat effectiveness rating has increased. Pilot, I detect more IMC salvage teams on the way. Our only chance of survival is to uphold our mission of rendezvousing with Major Anderson. Until then, you and I are on our own. Marking your HUD. We must move quickly. Pilot, the IMC will continue to search for us. Our only chance of survival is to rendezvous with Major Anderson, 60 clicks from our current location. We will have to improvise and adapt if we wish to survive.
This is Wombat 3-2! We're taking heavy casualties down here! Any militia forces, please assist! We've suffered heavy losses! We got a friendly Vanguard-class Titan! That BT? Good to see you, Captain. We could use some help.
Not getting past me.
Enemy Titan down.
Lucky bastard's getting too many shots in.
objectives and target them with tracking rockets. This will be useful in direct combat. Enemy Titan down. Salvo core ready. Salvo Pilot, our path through this facility is blocked by a flow regulation gate. There should be a control interface nearby. Activating sonar pulse. I'm engaging hostile infantry.
Incoming hostile pilot! Visual locked on target! We're getting destroyed by this pilot! Heads up, he's nearby! Pilot lost, do we see anything? Negative on visual!
Caution, hazardous conditions cause severe injury or death. The wearing of a hazmat suit.
We are Titan near the South Storm. Anyone see where he went?
Hazardous waste may cause severe injury or death. The wearing of a hazmat suit is required at all times.
Back up! Take 24! Keep the target contained! Pilot vision lost!
Automated testing facility, Zone 1.
Sonar pulse activated.
squad is down. I need backup.
Pilot, our path through this facility is blocked by a flow regulation gate. There should be a control interface nearby.
Maintenance override engaged. Opening flow regulation gate. Warning. Toxic fumes dispersing in main chamber. Activating control room safety airlock procedures.
Pilot, the safety airlock has sealed you in the control room. You must find another way out. We have no choice but to split up.
Split up. Sounds risky.
Given our dire circumstances, this is a risk worth taking. Pilot, I am tracking your location. Recommend you seek an exit.
Squad 14, hostile pilot. Everyone tighten up. Hostile pilot, no signal.
Listen up. This is Kane. What we have here, my IMC and militia friends, is a failure to communicate. And that's okay. That's okay. That's all good.
Contact! We are under attack! Visual lost on target! Come in! Back hostile pilot spotted! We're under attack!
Plenty militia left in the facility. Just so you know, this is Kane's place. You're welcome to stay as long as it takes to kill you. Which, by the way, not be long.
Let him out!
This is Raccoon 3, 9th Militia Fleet. We're held up in the reclamation facility. The IMC have some new mechanized infantry. We're trapped.
Pilot, I'm detecting friendly militia forces along your path. They may need assistance.
Captain, I see something moving by the pipe. Eyes up! It's a friendly pilot! Captain, we got a friendly militia pilot! Hold your fire, he's SRS. Look at his helmet.
Good to see a friendly pilot, sir. Our squad is taking a beating. They can use some help up ahead.
On your six! Not time!
Attention, there is a deceased prowler in subjunction 3A, requesting immediate removal.
12-15, hostile pilot is cloaking. We have visual, visual. I don't see him. Check your angle. Squad's down. Just me. I'll hold him up. Target's lost. Check your angle! 12-14, hostile pilot spotted! We're under attack! Pilot down below! Pilot field of vision lost! Switch to back! Do we have visual? Visual! I don't see anything! Pilot down below! I can't get a bloody shot! Target out of sight! Anyone have eyes? Sideline negative! Stand by! Target spotted! Over there! We have a visual! A visual! Target not in sight! No shot! I have visual on the suspect! He's down there! Visual lost on target! Anyone have eyes? Target not in sight, no shot. Lost eyes on target. Suspect gone. Take out the target if you have eyes on. "12-14, pilot spotted! Lost visual! 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 Sideline negative! Stand on! I got a target! 30 meters ahead! Don't come along! Anyone! Back up! I need backup! Pilot out of sight! Moving in, on militia!
Hazardous waste pumps now filtering automated testing facility, Zone 2.
So I got word that there's some Vanguard-class Titan and an SRS pilot taking out my IMC support. Whoever you are. Not bad at all, my friend. I just hope you're better than the last one I killed.
Engaging militia forces! Oh my God!
Exterior drainage pumps switched to primary system.
Kane, come in. There's a Vanguard-class Titan in the facility. I think it's SRS. You think it's SRS? All Vanguard.
Hazardous waste pumps now filtering automated testing facility, Zone 3.
Pilot, exercise caution.
And you can say that again.
Pilot, exercise caution.
Great. Sounds good.
Scans indicate multiple IMC security forces. Prepare yourself, pilot.
It's good to see you, buddy.
It is good to see you too, pilot. The controls to deactivate the sludge flow are in the next chamber, marking your HUD.
IMC security forces. I guess that's why they pay me the big bucks. You want something done right? You do it yourself. All right, scrubs, enough's enough. I'm coming down.
Throwing thermite! Pilot field position lost! Right here! He's right on us!
Overriding pump filter system. Emergency shutdown initiated.
Need reinforcements in the pump room!
Pump shutdown sequence at 20%.
Sludge balls contain a high concentration of heavy metals. They are interfering with my targeting systems.
So I'm gonna have to do all the work?
For now, yes.
Pump shutdown sequence at 40%. Pump shutdown sequence at 90%. Pump shutdown sequence complete.
Visual contact re-established with pilot. Commencing supporting fire. Danger close.
Pump shutdown sequence complete.
Visual contact re-established with pilot. Commencing supporting fire. Danger close. Sonar pulse online.
We're taking casualties! Source unknown! Local deep pilot spotted! Weapons
Pilot, activating sonar pulse to assist you. Pilot, that was a difficult battle. You handled yourself well. I have noted it for the record. I have identified an exit on this side. This way. Controls transferred to pilot. Protocol 2. Uphold the mission. Our orders are to resume Special Operation 217. Rendezvous with Major Anderson of the SRS.
You were not invited to Kane's party. And that's why you're dead. Well, well. Another runaway hero. With an SRS Vanguard class Titan. Woo! Now we're talking! Bring it, knife to him. Let's get this party started, scrub.
Stay out of Kane's thermite residue. It causes heavy damage.
Go ahead. Kane can take a few hits. I can keep going all day and all night. But you, you gotta sleep sometime. Okay, not bad. Not bad, huh? Challenge me. First back. Oh, this is good. This is real good. Real good.
Well done, pilot. Kane's helmet radio is still intact. We should retrieve it.
Kane, we need reinforcements in the tunnel. Kane, how copy? Over. Come in, Kane!
Sloan, this is Blisk. The IMC have almost sealed the Ark. It's time to prepare the Draconis.
Copy. Got myself 3 captured militia. What should I do with them?
Ah, just kill him.
No! Don't!
I'm on my way. Slow now.
The ability to decrypt enemy communications has a strong history in warfare. This will work to our advantage. In order to survive, we must keep moving. Major Anderson went this way. It could be a shortcut to the rendezvous point. I recommend we proceed.